Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be discussing the item number 1 in the activity under lesson 6 entitled Simplifying Radical Expressions. But before we proceed to our discussion, let me ask you first. When is the time you can say that the expression is in its simplest form? Yes, you are right. We can say that the expression is in its simplest form if there is no factor in common. Kung wala siya factor nga, wala siya factor nga maka-simplify, so that's the time makaingon kasi ako, makaingon ka na siya sa simplest form. So let's start our discussion. Number 1, cube root of quantity negative 2x squared y cubed. This item is under the rule number 1 in simplifying radical expression. So ang rule number 1 is ma-apply ani nga item. So ang katong rule number 1 state nga when the radical is raised into a power equal to the index of the radical expression. So raised man siya, the radical is raised to this is the radical that is siya. So it is raised by the same number sa index of the radical expression. Is to simplify, take the radical out of the radical sign. So again, there's siya. Cube root of negative 2, quantity negative 2x squared y cubed. So ato na siyang ihawa ni nga expression sa radical sign. So na-show sa rule number 1 nga nasa sa rule number 1. So ngayon na siya pag hawa. So imo na siyang times sa ipagawas ni mo ang kaning isa. So cancel. So the final answer would be negative 2 squared. Negative x squared rather y. Mo na siya ang final answer. Mo ni siya final answer. So sayo na lang, no? Pero if you want long process, o gusto ka ng long process, imo na siyang ikuan. Gusto ka long process, ang kaning exponent, imo nang i-distribute aning mga variable. So, i-distribute man, so maguna kaning 2, negative 2. So, cube root of i-distribute is mahimo na siya negative 2 cube to the power of 3. Sunod, i-distribute siya nimo ni x. So, x squared, quantity x squared to the power of 3. Sunod, lastly, ato siya i-distribute ni y. So, quantity y to the power of 3. So, since cube man sila tanan, cube po na atong radical, so, makancel na siya. Cancel. So, the final answer would be negative 2x squared y. One like final answer. So, the same pa sila, di ba? So, bisan unsa nga way, basta same ang answer, it is acceptable. Pero, as human as we are, individual as we are, ganun man ta og sayon. So, ano lang tamukuan? Ano lang tama solution? Let's proceed to another example. Fifth root of quantity 3xy squared to the power of 5. So, same sa atong ganina nga example, rule number 1 is applied So that nga nag-state when the radical is raised into a power equal to the index of the radical sign. Ato ang kaning radical is i-take out ra ani nga radical sign. So fifth root of quantity 3xy squared to the power of 5. So aron makuha ni siya nga expression, i-cancel na siya kaning radical sign o kaning exponent. So ang answer kay 3xy squared. Nada. Same ganina. And that would be all. Thank you.